Oh, hey, Transform fam. It's your coach Nadia here, and today I'm bringing you a brand new Pratapana practice. I'll be doing this practice from my bed, but it's actually a little harder than you might think, so you can feel free to do it from your bed, from your mat, or wherever you feel comfortable. You ready? Let's go. You can begin on hands and knees with your wrists underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. Inhale, extend your right leg back towards the wall behind you, toes tucked. And exhale, point your foot, then draw your knee in towards your nose, round your spine. Inhale, extend your leg back and up. Exhale, draw your knee to your nose. And go ahead and take a few more rounds at your own pace. Inhaling to extend back. Exhaling to draw in. Hey, you didn't know this was going to turn on your glutes, but it's actually a really good way to loosen up your hips in the morning. We'll do one more. Then inhale, stretch your leg back. Exhale, draw your right knee to your right elbow this time. A little bit of a side bend. Go ahead and inhale your leg back. Then exhale, right knee, right elbow. We'll take 3 more. Go ahead and do it at your own pace. Then hold for a moment for an inhale. And as you exhale, step your foot to the side of your hands. You can slide your other knee back if you'd like. We're going to find a twist. So inhale, open your chest, reach your arm up and back as far as you can. Exhale, bring your hand down. Or you can bring your elbow down if you want more of a twist. Inhale, reach your arm up. Exhale, bring your hand down. Let's do it one more time. Inhale to reach. Exhale to lower. And then I want you to hold here. You can hold on your hands or you can hold on your forearms for lizard. Ooh, my hips are tight today. And we'll just stay for a few rounds of breath. Lizard, if you didn't know, is a great way to open up your hips. Take one last full round of breath here. And then walk up your hands. Let's extend that leg back on it. Inhale. Exhale, release your knee down. Oof. Shake out your hips a little bit. And we'll switch to that second side. Inhale, kick your left leg back, toes tucked. Exhale, draw your knee in around your back. Inhale, kick your leg back. Exhale, knee in. Take about 3 or 4 more rounds. I don't know about you, but I'm building a little bit of sweat here. It's almost like a workout. And on that next exhale, that's the last one. We'll inhale your leg back and exhale your knee to your elbow. So same side, left elbow. Inhale, kick your leg back again. Exhale, knee to elbow. We got 3 more rounds. Remember to link your movement with your breath. It creates a sort of movement meditation. And on that last exhale, pause there. Take a full inhale. Exhale, step your foot to the side of your hands. You can slide your other knee back to give you a little bit more space. Then inhale your left arm up. Open your chest to the sky. Exhale, touch your hand or elbow down. Inhale, open up, reach up. Exhale, touch down. Take one more round. Big inhale to reach. Exhale to touch down. And then again, come to your hands or your forearms. I can already tell this side for me is tighter. If you have blocks, you can put your forearms on them or you can use your pillows. We'll stay for just a few more rounds of breath. Try to soften your shoulders as you hold. And when you're ready, walk up to your hands. Inhale, extend your leg back. Exhale, release your knee. And you can take a few moments to rock it out. Take a big inhale. And exhale, release. All right, well, that is a wrap for today, your Pratapana practice. We did tabletop kickbacks, we did tabletop knee to elbow, and the last one was a low lunge twist. If you feel like you want a little bit more mobility, you're welcome to do this practice again on your own, or you can go to one of the other Pratapana practices on this channel. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you know when new videos come out. I'm feeling super chill right now. I hope you are too. I will see you in the next one. Bye.